Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Git on Windows 10 and 11 Updated Complete Guide. So if you're not familiar with Git, it is a distributed version control system designed to help developers track changes to files, collaborate on projects, and manage code bases efficiently. So this is actually widely used in software development, but its functionality is beneficial for any type of project involving file changes over time. So for us to be able to go ahead and install this onto your Windows 10 or 11, just go ahead onto your local browser and search their official website. So you could simply type in Git in there and head onto this page, but to be specific, type in git-scm.com/downloads to get redirected onto this page. Now, to download the latest version of it, we should be able to see that one over here. We have the button for download for Windows. Click onto that and you'll get redirected onto another page. So there are a lot of options available, so feel free to choose which one applies to your device. So you could choose here the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So simply click onto this and it will automatically prompt in the installation here. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. So I actually have installed Git onto my system already, but onto your end, right after the download is complete over here, you'll just have to open the file. And then if you want to install it with the default settings, so just simply click on next until it finishes. So keep on clicking on to next, but feel free to read all to the terms in there so that you should be able to tweak some settings if you wanted to. But here on my end, I just click on next onto everything since I want to install the default settings. Now, once you have done that, you have completely installed it right after downloading it, so it's time to check if you have installed it correctly. So to check this, you'll just need to head onto your command prompt. So let's search here command prompt. Let's open this. And once you're in here, you'll just have to type in Git. So if you type in into that, you should be able to see this message in here. So this is an indicator that you have successfully installed Git onto your device. And that is how easy to install Git on Windows 10 and 11 Updated Complete Guide. If you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.